Okay, so on this lesson, we're going to dive into indicators. So the indicators are inside your charts, and indicators sit on the chart in front of you. This is an exciting area, guys, and when you get into trading, you're going to explore so many different indicators. Each chart package will have a basic standard set of indicators, and in this particular chart package, it's over here underneath indicators. When I click on this, you're going to get a list of all the different indicators which give you readings of price on a chart or volume or standard deviation. I don't want to get too technical, but moving averages are a very popular one that I use on my charts. And you can go through a huge amount of indicators and just click on them and just put them on your chart and just see what they look like. And there's several indicators really that are beneficial to you, and there's ones that move above and below a zero line. So let's get the pen here for you, and you might have a zero line like this, and this line here will go above it and then below it and above it, and it gives you these readings. Often when you've got this type of oscillator, a low reading here means it's oversold and a high reading it's overbought. But you could go into each indicator and just see what it's all about and the settings around it. And as I click through here, we've got our own personal indicators here at Trading College and our systems that we built over the years and I've used for many years, which are great. But there's just loads and loads of indicators in here that you could spend all day going through. Kagi, I've not heard of that, but there it comes. It comes down here, looks very spiky. Doesn't it's changed my candlesticks. Interesting, isn't it? So you can get really into indicators all day long and use these to have a play around with. Ichimoku Cloud, that should sit on top of the price. So there's momentum indicators, there's oscillators, there's indicators that sit on over the top of your candlesticks. There's ones that come down below your charts. So it is a world of indicators out there, and you've really got to decide what ones you prefer and like. We have our own indicators here at Trading College. We have the Pro Trend system here, with the tracks running underneath. We have the green storyteller measuring momentum and divergence. We've got our oscillator, which is our Pro OBS. We use MACD as well for certain setups that we quite enjoy as well trading. And then there's things like, which you've got to remember when you're trading the market, is support and resistance. And here's a classic resistance trade today as the price has gone. Let's look at that on a more of a 4-hour time frame. You see how the price has gone up, then it's come back down, and then it's gone back up. And I've drawn what I call a resistance line, so it's above the price. Okay, support is below the price, resistance is above the price, and resistance going into an area here where it's a major area where traders are interested in, and that price is what, 77.60 on this FTSE. So from there, price sells off. So putting indicators on a chart is something that you will enjoy doing and play around with, because everyone's looking for that holy grail. I've been using our Pro Trend system for many years now, and it's done me proud, very proud indeed. Buy on green, sell on red, keeps it really simple indeed, and it allows me to use white candlesticks, which means sideways price action as well. But please, by all means, have a little play around on the indicators on the list of your charts. And things like Bollinger Bands are very popular as well. They measure volatility. They sit on the price. And there's an interpretation that traders and you might put on these different indicators. So you just got to find your way of trading. And it's a vast area, as I said. And just don't go looking for the Holy Grail, because there isn't one out there. the Holy Grail means the most perfect indicator that gives you 100% winning trades. It just doesn't exist, guys. I spent 2 years looking for that, and it did not work at all. Okay, you've really just got to manage your risk, which is really important. Take the trades when those trades set up using your strategies and indicators, and then just follow your plan. That really is the key. Searching for indicators and systems is what we have here at Trading College, and we've used them for years, and we develop them with the screeners as well. And some charting platforms have what we call scanners, and here's what we're looking at here is a screener in Pro Real Time. What that basically means is that we've got our indicators firing off trades, but the actual screener finds those trades for us automatically. So if I go in here and I look for a Pro Trading System screener here, and it can find me all those trades that are firing green on the candlesticks here with our Pro Trading System, so I can work my way through this list. It just saves me so much time going through loads of markets looking for a particular trade setting up. So the screeners are really important for your trading down the line, because it allows you to find trades quickly whilst not scanning thousands of different markets. It's about efficiency, getting into these trends quickly and early using the screener, and that's something that we've developed here at Trading College. So take a look, have a little look around for indicators. Don't forget you've got your drawing tools as well. These are little tools that you can play with that create trend lines, Fibonacci work, but that's quite advanced stuff. We don't want to talk about that really, but just go and have a play, guys. Have a play around on your charts, and just first things first, just look at support and resistance. Look what price does around support and resistance. Draw lines and trend lines and so on. Drawing trend lines and going into that, I think, is another course for you. And using Fibonacci work, it's just another level, and this course is obviously for complete beginners. Hope it helps, and I'll speak to you on the next lesson.